In today's video, I'll show you how to install a trainer for Yakuza 0 DirectX Cut to enable cheats like infinite health, money, and more. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Scroll down. Under File, select the latest version. Once download done, select this folder icon and double click on the trainer exe and select yes option. And now you need to launch the game. Once you are in game, press escape key and press alt tab and open the trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. I'm going to turn on this ignore hits to show you guys it's working. As you can see, no hits, no more hits. The trainer is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.